Welcome. In today's quick guide, I'll show you how to enable the option to open links directly inside Telegram. This feature lets you view web pages without leaving the app, making your browsing faster and more seamless. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your device. Make sure you're on the main screen where your chats are visible. Next, look at the top left corner and tap on the three-line menu icon. This will open the main navigation panel. From here, tap on Settings. This is where you can control how Telegram looks and behaves. Once you're inside Settings, find and tap on Chat Settings. This section includes customization options and additional features related to your messaging experience. Now, scroll down until you reach the section labeled Other Settings. This area contains extra options that are not part of the main customization features. Here you'll see an option called In-App Browser. This is the setting that allows Telegram to open links within the app instead of redirecting you to an external browser. Simply toggle this option on. Once enabled, any link you tap in your chats will open inside Telegram automatically. That's it. You've successfully activated the in-app browser feature. This small change can make a big difference, especially if you frequently open links shared in chats. It keeps everything in one place and helps you stay focused without switching between apps. If you ever want to disable it, just follow the same steps and toggle the option off. Thanks for watching.